Hello everyone, I hope you guys are all having a great day. Today we're back with another science experiment. We will be making Oobleck, a 2-ingredient DIY fun experiment that you can do at home. You'll need cornstarch and water, and you can always add food coloring. You're going to need a small bowl. Add 1/3 cup of cornstarch. Set the bowl aside and grab a cup filled with water. Now is the time to add your food coloring of choice. I'm going to be adding about 2 to 3 drops of pink. You're going to add little bits of the water and then mix. It's getting really hard to mix, you guys, but this is a good sign. When working with food coloring, ask a parent if it's necessary to put a towel under your workspace. And if you feel like the solution is too watery, you can always add a little bit more cornstarch. Then, once you're ready, go in with your hands and feel how weird it is. Do you guys think it is a liquid or a solid? I hope you guys all enjoyed this fun science experiment with only 2 ingredients. See you guys soon, bye!